So in this episode mga ka-fish time, I'm gonna show you the exact measurement, inch by inch, of the monster tank, the tank itself, together with the stand and the sump. Sino man sa inyo ang gustong gumawa ng monster tank, do it yourself, at least magkakaroon kayo ng idea kung paano ba gumawa, kung paano ba yung setup ng monster tank together with sump tank. So this is exactly 6 feet mga ka-fish time now. Wide. Yan, 3 feet yan. End to end, 3 feet. 2.5 feet. 30 inches, mga ka-fish time. Yung thickness ng glass niya is half inch. Thickness ng glass is half inch. All side yan. Mga ka-fish time, yung thickness ng glass natin, all side half inch. And this is not a tempered glass. This is just a regular glass. We have 2 brackets. And bracket size is that. Bracket size is 4.5. Tama ba? 4.5 feet. And then half inch pa rin yung thickness ng glass natin yan. Dalawa yung bracket natin dito. Yan, dalawa. 3 feet. Dalawa yan. Dito, tapos dun sa likod. Dalawa. Itong bracket natin dito. Ganyan. Tapos, paano kaya to? Yan. Isa dito, pahaba. Isa dun sa likod, na pahaba din. At dalawa dito. Dalawang side yan. Tapos ito, papakita ko sa inyo tong black box natin. Kasi ito yung isa sa importante. This is one of the important thing in a monster tank. More or less 6.5, no? Tama ba? Kasi kailangan mong i-consider to eh. Yung part na to, kailangan mo i-consider yan. So, and kung ganyan lang, 7 inches. Pero, kailangan bigyan mo ng konting allowance. So, yan. And yung pag ganito naman, bibigyan natin ng konting allowance din. Half inch. Dito naman, nasa 9 point something. Exact yan, ha. This black box is built by a regular glass covered with acrylic. And by the way, when I say acrylic, this kind, acrylic strips. Yan, the one you use in a regular tank strip. Colored it black. And by the way, it depends on you, of course. And then this one is just also the acrylic strip. And you just need to drill it para yung water, yung flow ng water, solid. Tapos pakita natin yung laman ng black box. This is the inside of the black box. This tube is 1-inch pipe. 1-inch pipe. And then going there. Kung nakikita nyo to, mga ka-fish time, as you can see, this hole that comes here. That goes here at the bottom of this. From the top, here, we have a 2 inches pipe na nakabutas dito. Sakto yan. Because at the top of this is the black box. Black box, tapos baba. Drill a hole, 2 holes in this tank, in the monster tank mismo, no? 1 2-inch pipe for the overflow, and 1-inch pipe para sa pabalik. The pump. From the pump, going there, and then here, at paakyat ulit, going up. And then pag umakyat na ulit, I'm gonna show you, when it goes up again, there is a pipe going there. So, the inlet of the water from the water pump is going on the opposite side, not the same in the black box. Of course, it's in your decision kung paano mo, kung gusto mo sa gitna, if you want it in the middle, or you want it at dulo, pwede rin. I use a 1/4 inch glass covered, fully covered on the top. And as we all know, Asian arowana are a good jumper. They always jump. So make sure that your glass top is fully covered. And I also can suggest you that you can also use the acrylic. Just make sure it's not too light, because if you have the full-grown arowana, it can still jump over it. Make sure nyo na kahit konting gap, hindi makakalusot din yung arowana nyo. Kasi before, in my situation, I had a crossback arowana before, and then my brother did not double check it. So, kahit konting, maliit pa eh, bata pa yung crossback ko nung time na yun eh. So, manipis pa lang yun. Yun nakalusot. Pagising kinabukasan yun, wala na, patay na. Sayang. Mga pala yun. Siya ang salarin. Ang sakit na yun yung most painful part of our hobby, di ba?
After ko mag-water change,
Oh,
nakalimutan kong isara yung bata.
nakalimutan mong isara mismo.
Oo.
Or, hindi mo na-check yung gap.
Hindi ko na maalala din eh. Pero may times kasi...
Parang yun yung naalala ko eh.
After mag-water change, paminsan nakakalimutan din.
Ah, oo.
Take note yun.
Oo, sobra. This is a Jebo lamp with a may two fluorescent lamp lang siya. So what stand did I use in my monster tank? This is a full metal stand. Bakal to. Solid na bakal to. And obviously, syempre, 6 feet din yan. 6 feet din to. And yung taba is 3 feet. Let's go. 3 feet. Yan. And isingit ko nga rin para mga ka-fish time. So those who are asking in the comment section, what did I use for my background? I only use a sticker for my background. Blue sticker and then black sticker at the bottom of my tank. Black sticker mga ka-fish time, no? And plus, I also have a 1/2 inch rubber. This is a rubber. 1/2 inch. Kung gusto nyong lumutang yung kulay ng sticker nyo, if you want your bottom background or bottom sticker will float or pop up, you need a sticker. Example, this one, dito tayo sa ilalim. Nakikita nyo, di ba, itim? This one is black. Because there is a sticker here. There is also a sticker here. Pero this one, we don't have a sticker here eh. At this side, we don't have a sticker. So, if you're gonna go there, you can see my hand here.
Dito.
Diyan kita talaga. Pero hindi nakikita to. Tignan nyo. Nakikita nyo ako? For the background, pwedeng hindi naman sticker mismo. Pwede. Lulutang pa rin yan eh. Lulutang pa rin yan. Pero, at the bottom, kailangan talaga sticker. So, it depends, no? If, what's your choices? If you wanna white treatment for your arowana o kaya black treatment, it depends on you. But for me, my preference is just blue. Parang cool lang siya, yun lang. Pero may effect din naman yan sa mga arowana natin. 35 inches. Again, mga ka-fish time, it's my own preference. Because for me, kaya tinaasan ko yung stand ko, para kapag kunyari nakatayo, yung mga tao dito, eye level lang. Diba? Eye level lang. Pero, syempre yung mga ibang hobbyist natin, ibang mga ka-fish time natin, gusto, eye level nila kapag nakaupo. Yan. Pag nakaupo, medyo nakatingala ako ng konti. Pero sa tutuusin, halos sakto nga lang din eh, di ba? Halos sakto lang din eh. Medyo nakatingala lang ng konti, pero okay pa rin. And lalo na kapag maraming isda dyan. Di ba? So, ang sarap. As you can see here, there's a gap. Hindi ko siya sinagad. In this side, mga ka-fish time, there is a gap. 3-inch gap. Do you know what's the reason of it? When